Welcome back to Ryobi UK. Today we're going to be unboxing the height adjustable workbench by Ryobi. It's model number RWB03. There it is. Let's get it open. It's got a list of the features down here, which we'll be having a quick try. Up to 100 kilograms weight, 2-year warranty, the model number. Shows you how it can tilt on variable angles. It's height adjustable. I think that's showing unique sliding clamp system. Yep. Quick release lift bar for increased clamping area. Okay. Steel and aluminium work surface provides high quality and tough platform that increases the product's working life. It's a foldable workbench for easy storage and portability. So there's a quick look at the outside of the box. There it goes. Right. Looks like it comes in pieces. It looks like it comes in pieces and I presume that's 2 of the legs. I took out 2 of the legs. And another 2 legs. Bracket. These are like the height adjusters. 2 of those. Second one's stuck at the moment. We've got some more bars for assembly. Whip out some plastic grip. Found the instruction manual, which I will need. Got another couple of bars there together. I'm going to have to lower it down. Right, there's the main surface. So there you go. Let's get rid of the carbon. And one more. Oops, probably, and that's some kind of quick release mechanism. I'll have to work that out. Hopefully nothing else flew across the room. Right, I'm going to take the last piece out. There you go, right, there's the box. Get rid of the box. And there's all your small clamps and your nuts and bolts. Right, so there's the unboxing. There's briefly what we've got. Obviously, it's going to take quite a bit putting together by the looks of things. Right, there's the parts that came out. Quick look at the parts. You got your book. You've got all your bits and pieces, your nuts, bolts, your clamps, your holders. You've got 2 uprights, which I believe will bolt to the bench. You can see they're the ones that make it adjustable height. You've got black panel with Ryobi on, and you've got quite a few bits of metal. You've got 2 legs and the work surface. That's what comes in it. Right, I'll go ahead and start putting it together. First step seems quite straightforward. 4 bolts, washers and nuts, washers back and front. I'm just going to tighten it by hand first and worry about tightening up later. Right, this side now. First bit done, it's only hand tightened at the moment. I won't tighten it up to a complete day, but there's the first stage. Head spin it round. I'm looking at the instructions. Top right. Looks like we've got 3 of these. Looks like one on there, one on there. I'm going to go ahead and get that done. Right, that's the top one finished. The next step, I believe, is to spin the unit around and attach this to these 2 threaded bars. Now I'm washing up, locking up on the bottom there. Spin it up. Same again. Next step is these 2. They're the ones that allow it to be height adjustable, and they also fasten to the actual workbench itself. This one seems they're the bits that fell out of the box. So I've just got to copy what the other side is. It's basically twist handle there, a little washer clip there, I forget what they call them, and a spring. So I'll do that. Again, hand tighten for now. Right, that's that piece. Right, moving on to the next. Now I have to push this bar forward to allow to accept this. Again, at the moment it's not totally tight. Be careful, so there you go. It just looks like I put this bar on the wrong way round. I want the bar this side, so we'll go ahead off camera and quickly spin that round. Turn the bar around now off camera, as you can see. Spin this other one in. This is just to help block this bar, I believe. Another form of tightening. Put the top on. It attaches with 4 small bolts, 2 small bolts each end, so 4 bolts. These small clamps in, they will help to clamp material in between it. That's it, that's that stage done. On to the next. in its full glory. I've gone ahead and tightened it all up off camera. I filmed a little bit. Once I've used it more, then we'll come back and look at it again.